found that when I add an egg yolk at the end of my cook, it's always just beautiful scrambled eggs. Like they're just so nice and creamy. Look at that. I love it like this.
That's the biggest jug of hot sauces.
It's Valentina. Ghost shape sugar cookie dough. Oh, ghost shaped sugar cookie. It's not a ghost shape though. Do you think they taste like pumpkin? Oh look, it comes with a little mask.
Oh wow.
Does that one have a mask too?
Yeah, that could be our Halloween costume.
That's cool. A little mask.
We're making these holiday themed sugar cookies. I haven't made these in a really long time. Or I don't even think my parents even bought these when we were little.
Really?
Yeah. I only ate them when I was like at a friend's house or something.
Nice. Yeah, I'm ready. Go back. Go back. We need to see this. You made that?
Yeah. Wait.
Wow. Very nice.
I know.
Very nice.
Where's the mittens?
You can use the towel. The towel is the mitten.
Let's see.
All right. Something I learned with cookies is you want to flatten them when they come out of the oven if you want like a nice shape so it doesn't have like that poofiness. So now they're gonna have like that nice beautiful round shape. So you just give them a little flatten. Now they're like nice and round, see that? I wonder if we should put some flaky salt on some of these.
So something I taught Matt is to flatten the cookies.
Yeah, you taught me. I don't want to wait, but we have to wait, huh?
Yeah, it looks so good though.
Yeah, I kind of want one while it's warm. There's the pumpkin. You want to try it while it's warm?
Yeah.
That's a sugar cookie. These bring me back. I used to make these with my grandma and my mom. These are so good. This is the prep for the week. I've been doing this for 2-3 weeks now. This is chia seed pudding. It's gonna thicken up when it goes in the fridge. So I'll do coconut milk, chia seed, monk fruit, sugar, cinnamon, vanilla. And yeah, let me tell you, this is really good. You just shake it up in a jar, thickens up, have it in the morning with some fruit. So I'll mix it with like banana, some raspberry, blueberry, and lately I'll even put like some Cheerios in it. Why not? It's really good. And mainly I'm doing it for the fiber intake because it's supposed to be good for helping with cholesterol.
Hi.
Sounds good, right?
Yeah.
Anything new or no?
No.
Okay, Jennifer, what do we have?
We're eating hot pot today. This is the tomato-based soup and then the spicy beef tallow. Yeah, their signature beef
Chuck
dish.
flap, okay.
Chuck flap. Watermelon juice for whenever it gets too spicy.
Whittier mushroom, tofu skins, which are our favorite, fried tofu skins. So that's all tofu. Enoki mushroom, and then some veggie. Oh yeah, and then you got vermicelli noodles.
We're currently at my apartment so I could pack up a few things, and he's not even helping me. How dare you?
Hey! The cup is too small. Oh, wow. So Jen is taking us inside her office today. I haven't read it yet.
Come up with something.
No way.
Love you.
Okay, I just want to say I'm super grateful for you because what I have right here is my finished cookbook. I was just on the phone for like an hour with the recipe tester, Rick, and it's been a long journey with Rick. I've been talking to this guy on the phone for hours and hours, and it's been a lot of recipe testing and planning, and I just feel grateful that I am able to do this. I'm able to do this and bring y'all really fun stuff because this book, I gotta tell you, Rick was even telling me himself, he's tested so many cookbooks. Like, this is going to be a fucking great book. Like, it's got a lot of tips packed into each little recipe, so it's all going to come together and just be very loaded. I'm stoked for this. Really grateful for you guys. Yeah, also this view is insane on top of Amazon in Bellevue. Just stunning views. You got Mount Rainier out kind of today, and you got Lake Washington and the sunset. It's freaking stunning up here. This is Jen's office. It's kind of cool that they have a little bonsai garden here on the 42nd floor. Actually, a lot of nice plants here. And then they have these like Japanese inspired doors for these offices. It's really fun. What are you doing in here?
Oh, hi. I was working now.
Oh, okay.
I'm putting everything away. You just ruined my shot.
Oh, good morning. On today's agenda, just got off a call with like, I think it was like 8 people with a brand that I love working with. And this brand, they're going to have me go down to LA and I need to film a cooking video with a WNBA player, like a professional basketball player. That's pretty sick. So that's gonna be my next like brand shoot while I'm in LA. By the way, if you're in LA, hit me up and maybe we should link up and cook something for my LA creators, by the way. But yeah, that's really fun. I've never done this. I'm gonna do some stuff that's kind of outside the box, so we'll see how that goes. It's always interesting to like see where this social media thing leads me to. There's always like something new that I never pictured doing as a cook, you know. But that's the life. I love it.
It's so much lighter.
Which
It's
Master, the 24?
Yeah, the 24 to. Oh, dude, I saw this.
That crazy wide.
That's
You've
insane.
seen this one, right?
Yeah.
It's crazy. It's so wide. It's freaking wide. Yeah.
It's sick though.
I've been doing sometimes like plexiglass shots, like.
Scares? Because he's just scared of you?